So Instagram has introduced a 3-minute reel. So you can now upload videos up to 3 minutes long in vertical portrait dimensions as an Instagram reel. Now, if you're still wanting to upload longer videos than 3 minutes, then you can upload that video via the post tab on Instagram. But for this particular video, I'm going to show you how to upload your 3-minute reel. Okay, go into Instagram and click the plus button at the bottom. Select reel and choose your video up to 3 minutes long. So I'm going to choose a 2-minute, 2-second one. Click next, and there you can see it's gone straight into the reels area. So all you need to do now, if you don't need to edit, is click the next button. And in here, you can just write your description, update the tags, etc. So I'm just going to fill out my description here. Okay, add in your hashtags. So these can be ones you pre-prepared, or you can just select from the selection that Instagram gives you. And once you've done that, all you need to do then is click OK. Now you can do the cover. So go along and choose the thumbnail cover that's going to take up the first bit that they're going to see inside Reels. Go ahead and select that one. Once you're happy, all you need to do then is add in any tags, maybe messages, and click OK. Wait for it to upload, so keep Instagram open while it's uploading. Once it's uploaded, you can go to your profile, just refresh it, and then you can see it in the grid and in the reel. So I hope you found that useful. If you want to learn more on how to use video on Instagram, then do check out my YouTube channel.